y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so as you know, the June BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe Choice is open today. Also pop-up. So we're about to go through the choice items for, again, BoxyLuxe June and also BoxyCharm Base Box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing spoilers for the BoxyCharm Base and Premium May Box. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Lisa, honey. It's always good to see you down in the comments, and you're really quick with that bell. I really appreciate you having your notifications on, and thank you so much for stopping and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump into this madness. Now first we're going to go over the choice items for the June BoxyCharm Base Box. Now everybody should have already chosen what item they want. So if you would, let us know down in the comments what item did you choose. And also for the people who didn't choose, one of these things is going to be in your box. So the first thing is the Benefit Pore Freshenal Primer. Now this is the classic one, the original. You could have chosen that one or the Benefit Hydrating Pore Freshenal Primer. So, of course, those are two really good items, I think. Next up, you could have also chosen the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Now, there was one of 12 shades. So, unfortunately, you couldn't pick what shade you wanted. So, you know, surprise. I got one of them. I think it's called the Illuminati. It's a really good highlighter. I absolutely love it. Now, next up, if you didn't choose one of those three items, you could have chosen the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. And then the last item you could have chosen was the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. So again, if you got to choose today, let us know what you chose down in the comments. So y'all, let's go ahead and look at the rest of the spoilers. Now these are not choice items, but they are spoilers. So I figured, hey, why not? Let's just put them in one video. So the rest of the spoilers so far that we have so far on the June base box is first the Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray. And then there will be the Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream with the SPF of 30. Now the palettes. So first is the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange Parade Eyeshadow Palette. And then the Shared Planet Polar Bear Eyeshadow Palette. And then the Shared Planet Tiger Eyeshadow Palette. And now let's go ahead and look at the BoxyLuxe June choice items. So again, everybody's probably already made their choice. So if you would, let us know what you chose. If not, these are the choices that you might get. You will get one out of these items that I'm about to name off. So the first choice option was either the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara or the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. You could have chosen one of those two items. Now the second choices, you could have either chosen the Hallmark Satin Pillowcase and Eye Mask Set. Now there is one of two shades. Or you could have chosen the Smile Science. There's two teeth whitening pens you could have got right here. Or the Swell Stainless Steel Water Bottle. Now this is 17 ounces and there was one out of three colors. Or you could have chosen the, what is this, OC Malibu, the Gua Sha Sculptor. Y'all, what the hell? Y'all know I don't know how to pronounce anything. Anyways, guys, let's move on. So, if you didn't choose none of those items, you could have chosen the Eco Modern Essentials Goddess Duo. Now, this is the women's blend, so it is the Calm and Distressed Oil. That is it for those choice items. So, again, what item did you choose? And again, if you didn't like to choose, you will be getting one out of those items. Now guys, let's look at the rest of the spoilers that we have so far on the June BoxyLuxe box. So the first one is the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. And that will be in every box. Another item that's going to be in every single box is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. Now guys, we do have the first confirmed spoiler for the June BoxyCharm Premium box. And that is this one that we've been seeing everywhere. It is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. Well, that's about everything that we have for June for the BoxyLuxe, the base box, also the premium box. So whenever they do reveal any more spoilers, I'll update you guys. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Is it Haroon Sherifi? I hope I said that right. Anyways, Haroon says, hey, what's up? Well, hey, Haroon, honey. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're keeping your mind busy. I hope you're safe. Just watching a lot of YouTube, I guess, like I'm doing. And I really appreciate you watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Well, yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, check that out for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.